Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's SQL Server DBA tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to script out an entire database in SQL Server. So let me open my SQL Server Management Studio. So I'm going to script out my sales order table. So right click on the sales order, go to the task and generate a script. So here's the generate a script for the database object. So this wizard generate a script for the selected database object. The script can be saved for the later use in the creating database in an instance of the database engine. So we can create the database to any other instance with this script, or to publish a database of to a database publishing the web services. So we can publish the web service also with that. And there is the 4 steps to complete the wizard. Select the database object, specify script or publishing option, review your selection, generate script, then save or publish that. And if you want, then you can just do not show this page again, you can check it there. So go to the next. There is the option script entire database of and all the database object, and next option is select specific database object. So if you click on the specific database object, then it will give you the list of the tables, and if you have a store procedure, then you will get a store procedure list and other objects that is in my database. So click on the I'm clicking on that is script entire database and all database objects. Go to the next. So there is a output, two types of outputs: save our script in specific location, second is published to web services. So I'm going to the save script on the specific location. I'm not creating any web services. Next option is save to file. There is a option is advanced. So I'm clicking on the advanced. You can get the advanced scriptive options of the database and table schema related with that. So there is a general of there, and table and view options are there. So main is thing is that, so type of the database to the script. So what I'm just taking the script for this database. So there is a three options are there: data only, schema and data, and schema only. Means that you want the structure of the database only, then go to the schema only. And if you want the data only, you already have the schema in the second location. Or if you want to keep the only the data, then you can click on the data only. And schema and data means that all the creating table uh, with the code, it will come with the data. So you can select for the schema only. So I'm clicking on the schema and data. And here is the option script indexes true, script primary key true. And if you want to script the triggers, there is option you can create it true if you are using any triggers, and then and other key, and like that script change tracking. So these are the options regarding the table, and this is for the general options. So if you as per your requirement, you can change that. So just clicking on the OK. And there is the option file to generate single file, and file with the per object with all the specific object, it will create the file. So I'm going with the single file, and I'm writing their name, sales orders underscore script. So just check the path, see users Chirag and documents. Inside this path we are keeping the data. So let me keep this path. And next option is next. If you want to save this one in the clipboard, then click on that, save the new query window. So it will open the query window. So just I'm going to save into the file. So click on next. Review or your selection. So this is my select review. My server name is Chirag, and database is sales order, object is entire database object. Target, we have this path where I'm saving the database. And options, there is a general options. So these are the options, advanced option we selected, and there is a schema and data we selected, and there is a tables and view options. So I'm clicking the generating the list of the object from the cells order. So database script is created now. So if you want to save this report, then you can click on the save report. So you can save with the report HTML, save the report also. So click on the finish. So let me go to the path. So this is the my script. It's created. So I'll double click. It will open. So now all the entire database script will show you all the script for the creating the database in the new location. So this is my path for the new location, so existing location path, and here I'm creating the sales order database. Alter these options, multiple options are there, and here I'm creating the table, assigning the primary key. So all the creating tables command and database details will be available in the script. So I'm going to restoring my another instance. So let me connect database engine. So I have a MS SQL Server 2. I'm clicking on that. So let me connect. Let me check my services, if everything running or not. Yeah, this is not running. Let me start. Database MS SQL Server 2 is started. So now I'm connected to the second instance. We don't have any database here, so just click and the new query. So I'm connected with the MS SQL Server 2. I'm copy and paste that one, and now let me check the path of the SQL Server data files. So it will create, and this path already exists with the previous instance. So let me change this one. I'm I'm giving the path for the new location. Now let me execute. Okay. Command completed successfully. Come to the path. So and go to the data. There is a sales order database, MDF and LDF file is created now. After that, refresh into the database on the second instance. This refresh, and this is sales order database is created. Now check with that. So all the tables are there, and the first one tables are there, and if you go to the store procedure also available here. So in this video we learn how to script out an entire database in SQL Server. Hope this video will help. Thank you for watching.